This 2021 Jayco Embark 37K is a Class A RV. It is located in Lebanon, Tennessee, 37090 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Nashville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2021 Jayco Embark 37K is built on a Spartan K1 Raised Rail chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.